All right, let's start by making the Kracken mustard sauce for this Kracken Turkey Sandwich. You want to start off with a cup and a quarter of yellow mustard, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, half a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. Throw in 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, a little shot of sriracha, a tablespoon and a half of Worcestershire sauce, and I added, I believe, 2 shots of Kracken rum. But if you don't like it that rummy, you can certainly go down to 1. If you want a little stronger, you can certainly go up to 3. And then over a medium-low heat, you just want to simmer this until everything gets all, melted and combined. I simmered mine for about 30 minutes. Just simmer until it gets the consistency you want. All right, as you can see, we're getting ready to assemble our sandwich. I got some yummy, yummy, yummy fun in my tummy bacon on there. And we're just going to take some mesquite smoked turkey breast, place it on top of there, or use whatever turkey you like from your local deli. And don't forget to give a good dusting of pepper on your sandwiches. And you want to add the first cheese. The first one I chose is a cheddar Asiago blend. And then to balance that out, you got some extra sharp cheddar cheese that I'm going to be putting on this. And then you want to pop this into a 425-degree oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly and happy. Shouldn't take more than, 7 minutes or something. Just keep an eye on it. You can't leave the kitchen at this point. Okay, got our sub all toasted and out of the oven. And now it's time to finish it off. Gonna get some good old-fashioned tomato slices on here. By the way, these toppings are completely optional. Do it however you like. A little bit of iceberg lettuce. Of course, keep fucking with it to make it look perfect. And then there's that Kracken mustard sauce we made earlier. Put it on top, cut it in half, and that is a Kracken turkey sandwich. Done.